Hello, my name is Randy Boltima, licensed property manager with Metro Residential in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Today's topic is, how does the Florida eviction process work? Well, there are typically three types of evictions. 1. Non-payment of rent. 2. Lease or conduct violations. Or 3. Holdovers. Well, a non-payment of rent is pretty self-explanatory. The tenant has failed to pay their rent, you've given them a 3-day notice, and that has come and gone. The second is lease or conduct violations. Anything in the lease that the tenant has violated, noise levels, occupancy, pets, so forth. Or if it's a condominium association, perhaps they violated one of their rules or regulations. Or 3, holdovers. This typically happens when an investor purchases a property that has tenants already in place. They are on a month-to-month lease, therefore you give them a 15-day notice to vacate and they fail to move. Well, after all of these have come and gone, the 3-day notice, 7-day notice, or 15-day notice, you are forced, unfortunately, to proceed with an eviction. Now, I will tell you to hire an eviction attorney. They're well worth the money, typically $500 on average for an uncontested single eviction. They go to court for you, they get the eviction approved, they can even file a claim against the tenant for all your expenses incurred. Then you can go forward and meet the law enforcement over at your property, change the locks, take the tenant's belongings to the curb, and get it ready to re-rent. Now, are there alternatives to an eviction? Well, with non-payment of rent, what you could do, and what we have done, is offer the tenant the option to vacate in lieu of an eviction. They sign an agreement that basically states they are signing over their security deposit in lieu of an eviction. They move out, typically within 7 days. You get to get back in there and get their property ready to be re-rented. And therefore, it takes a lot less time on both sides, and you're not losing all of that money. This is Randy Boltima, licensed property manager with Metro Residential in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. To learn more about this topic and others, please visit us at metrofla.com. And be sure to read all of our reviews. Thank you.